Hi, Craig Herman of Mold Eliminators, the master of disaster. If you've experienced a problem with mold in your home or business, I want to show you the complete process here in this video so that you have a better understanding of what your options may be. We here at Mold Eliminators offer a free in-home inspection if you're the property owner. So once you call our offices, we can usually be at your home within hours. We will immediately assess the damage and confirm the nature of your mold problem when there are visible signs of damage. We will then be able to write an estimate and begin working the same day. Mold Eliminators is an IICRC registered professional mold remediation firm, so we must follow the strict standards written by the Institute of Inspection, Cleaning, and Restoration Certifications, known as the S520. A professional team, not the homeowner, is the best option for remediating mold damage. I hear some people say, well, just spray bleach on it or some other product for mold. A professional team, not the homeowner, is the best option for remediating mold damage. I do hear some people say, well, just spray bleach on it or use some other product labeled mold removal. However, if you consult either the IICRC's S520 or the Environmental Protection Agency's websites, neither would suggest nor recommend the use of bleach. The only case to use bleach would be on a solid, non-porous surface, such as shower tiles, countertops, and/or toilets. Remediation is the only way to properly get rid of mold in a home. Once again, it is imperative to only use a professional that operates by the IICRC's standards of the S520. The normal time to complete a remediation is anywhere from 4 to 7 days on average. Each job is unique, so once we inspect your home, we can better advise you on your timetable of your job. All right, now that we've established your need of a professional, here are the steps outlined by the IICRC's S520. The first thing to be done is to set up a containment to protect the rest of the structure from what is called cross-contamination. Containment is a plastic room set up around the affected area from the ceiling to the floor and from wall to wall. When the mold is disturbed during this remediation process, spores will be released into the thousands and tens of thousands into the air. If containment isn't properly constructed, then these mold spores will affect the rest of the structure and possibly the occupants. The use of a high-efficiency particulate air or a HEPA filtered unit are suggested in at least 2 places per project. 1 or more are used inside the containment area to create what we call a negative air movement. This means we are moving air from inside of our containment, filtering it and exhausting it outside back into the home safely. The HEPA units are also used outside of the containment area in the home to grab whatever mold spores are present prior to us starting our job. Our team will also place plastic on the flooring. We are always going the extra mile to protect your home or your business. Now that we have all protective measures in place, we can start the remediation process. Our team will be wearing what's called PPE, personal protective equipment, during the job. They wear disposable suits to protect their clothing and bodies, a HEPA filtered mask for their lungs, as well as eye protection, hand and feet protection. Wearing these, they will go inside the contained area and begin the mold removal process. All impacted building materials such as baseboards, drywall, insulation, and damaged flooring will be removed. During the remediation process, we'll go on about an average of 12 inches to the right and to the left of whatever is found. This is to be sure that we've successfully removed all possibilities of mold-impacted product. The moldy contained product is then properly bagged and disposed of. Next, we will perform what is called the final cleanup. Normally, solid wood framing materials will survive the mold impact and can be sanded. However, each case is unique and will be treated properly. This process includes the use of wire brushes and/or sanding on the studs and framing material. Then, we use a HEPA vacuum to remove all dust particles that are around the area and wipe down all the surfaces with an antifungal product, not bleach. Customer service is important for us here at Mold Eliminators. Therefore, we have a staff member that will contact you daily to be sure that we're meeting your needs. We will also have a managing member of our staff visiting your home throughout the entire process in order to visually confirm that things are going as we plan and answer any unique questions you have or any concerns. The final step in a mold remediation process is having a third-party independent consultant visit the site and perform what's called a post-remediation verification, or PRV. This means that they inspect your job and grade our performance through a number of tests. They either do visual inspections, run ATP samples, or they're running air samples or surface samples. Upon their completed inspection, we will receive either a pass or a fail. Once we've passed the PRV, then the mold portion is completed, and now it's time for the rebuild. Your PRV consultant will then provide you with a certification of a healthy indoor environment, and this document should be kept to show any would-be buyers when and if you so choose to sell your home. It is important to know that we are also licensed state general contractors, and we can perform all phases of the rebuild, from kitchens, flooring, and bathrooms. No size of job is too big or unique for us to repair. This completes the mold portion of what occurs during our remediation to your home or business. We have other links to videos that can also cover water damage, sewage, crime scene cleanup, as well as construction. Thank you, and I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us at 702-360-1700, because we are the masters of disaster.